各位聽眾大家好，歡迎收聽 Pantry Talk。Pantry Talk 專為想透過真實商業新聞提升商業英語能力嘅廣東話專業人士而設。我係你哋嘅主持。喺今日嘅節目，我哋會探討一個最新嘅國際商業新聞。美國總統宣布計劃提高對韓國部分進口商品嘅關稅。呢個消息對任何從事國際貿易、物流或者金融嘅專業人士都非常重要，因為佢會直接影響到公司成本、供應鏈穩定，甚至係全球嘅經濟格局。我哋會深入分析事件，學習相關嘅商業英文詞彙，再聽一段模擬對話。首先，我哋嚟總結一下新聞重點。根據最新報導，美國總統喺社交媒體上宣布，計劃將汽車、木材同藥品等韓國進口商品嘅關稅由15%大幅提高到25%。美方俾出嘅理由係，佢哋認為韓國立法機構喺批准早前達成嘅貿易協議方面有所延誤。呢個突如其來嘅舉動令韓國官員感到意外，亦都導致現代同起亞等汽車製造商嘅股價應聲下跌。為咗應對呢個情況，據報韓國嘅貿易部長正準備前往美國進行磋商。呢一次事件再次突顯咗國際關係嘅不確定性，以及佢對全球貿易嘅潛在影響。值得注意嘅係，呢一類型嘅貿易爭端並唔係單一事件，而係反映咗近年全球貿易保護主義抬頭嘅趨勢。好多國家都開始重新審視自己嘅貿易政策，試圖保護本地產業，但呢啲舉動往往會引發連鎖反應，影響全球經濟嘅穩定性。了解完最新嘅市場動態，我哋嚟到今日嘅詞彙學習環節，我哋會教大家5個同今次主題相關嘅財經英文詞彙。第一個字係 tariff。Tariff 嘅意思係關稅。喺今次事件中，美國將韓國汽車等商品嘅關稅提高到25%。呢個意味住美國公司喺進口呢啲汽車時，必須要繳納25%嘅稅款。呢一筆額外成本好可能會轉嫁俾美國消費者，令車價更加貴。同時亦都旨在保護美國本土嘅汽車產業。例句 The new tariff on automobiles will increase the final price for consumers。第二個字係 trade imbalance。trade imbalance 解作貿易不平衡，呢個係美國政府為今次關稅提供嘅官方理由。美方認為佢哋從韓國買嘅嘢進口遠遠多過賣俾韓國嘅嘢，出口造成咗巨大嘅貿易逆差。關稅就係一個工具，目的係令韓國商品變貴，從而減少美國嘅進口，以達到平衡貿易嘅目的。例句 The president stated the tariffs are meant to correct a long-standing trade imbalance。第三個字係 import quota。import quota 係進口配額。雖然今次美國冇用到呢一招，但係佢係比關稅更嚴厲嘅貿易工具。關稅只係令商品價格提高，但配額就係設定一個硬性上限。例如，如果設立配額，美國可能會規定每年只可以從韓國進口特定數量嘅汽車，超過就唔准再入。例句 Besides tariffs, the government is also considering a strict import quota on lumber。第四個字係 supply chain。supply chain 係供應鏈。舉個例，一間美國電子公司如果用開韓國生產嘅零件，佢哋嘅供應鏈就會受到呢一次關稅嘅直接衝擊。關稅會增加零件成本，迫使公司一係硬食利潤損失，一係轉嫁俾消費者，甚至要花費更多時間同金錢去尋找其他國家嘅替代供應商。呢一啲都會帶嚟物流同財務上嘅挑戰。例句 This disruption could severely impact our global supply chain。第五個字係 market access。market access 即係市場准入。今次嘅關稅直接損害咗韓國汽車製造商喺美國嘅市場准入，因為價格上漲，佢哋嘅汽車同美國本土製造或者其他免關稅國家進口嘅車相比，競爭力就會下降，令佢哋更難賣俾美國嘅消費者。例句 The trade agreement was designed to improve market access for our key exports。學完單詞，我哋嚟聽一段模擬對話。睇下喺辦公室 pantry 同事之間會點樣傾呢個話題。Ben, have you seen the news this morning about the new US tariff on South Korean goods?
I just saw the headline. A jump from 15 to 25%. Right? That's a huge leap. It's going to cause some serious ripples.
Exactly, I was just thinking about how this affects our electronics division. A lot of our key components come from South Korea. This is going to disrupt our entire supply chain.
No kidding. The cost of goods will skyrocket. We'll have to either absorb the cost, which hurts our margins, or pass it on to consumers, which could hurt our sales. It's a tough spot.
The official reasoning is about correcting a trade imbalance, but it feels more like a political power play.
I agree. It seems like a negotiating tactic. But these tactics have real-world consequences for businesses like ours.
Sorry, Ben, I know this might be a basic question, but what does a trade imbalance mean exactly in this context?
Not a basic question at all. Essentially, it means the US believes it is importing significantly more from South Korea than it is exporting to them. So, money is flowing out of the US. In this trade relationship, the tariff is a tool they're using to try and balance that equation, theoretically by making imports more expensive and encouraging more domestic production.
That makes sense. So this is more than just a simple tax. I wonder if they also consider an import quota to really limit the volume.
Let's hope not. An import quota would be even more damaging. It would create actual shortages. A tariff just makes things more expensive. A quota could stop us from getting parts at all.
So what's our next move? We need to have a strategy meeting fast. We should probably start looking at alternative suppliers just in case. This really jeopardizes our market access if our product prices inflate too much.
You're right. I'll get a meeting on the calendar for this afternoon. We need to be proactive. Thanks for flagging this so early, Chloe.
希望頭先嘅對話可以幫到大家理解點樣應用呢啲詞彙。節目到咗尾聲，我哋嚟快速重溫一次今日學過嘅5個詞語 ：tariff 關稅、trade imbalance 貿易不平衡、import quota 進口配額、supply chain 供應鏈同 market access 市場準。希望大家以後睇相關新聞嘅時候，會對呢啲詞更加敏感。不妨喺工作會議或者電郵入邊試下用佢哋，會令你嘅表達更精準、更專業。今集嘅 Pantry Talk 就到呢度，多謝收聽，我哋下集再見。